Top 3 Telegram Snipe trading bots. All the bots I talk about I use personally and trust them. Third, Sol Trading Bot. This bot only supports the Solana network. I love how comfortable this bot is. The official Twitter page has 82,000 subscribers and as many as 550 posts for the entire period. On the screen you see the conclusion of this bot. Save the video so as not to lose. Video tutorial on this bot on my Telegram channel. The next bot is called Trojan. This bot only supports the Solana network. Simple and convenient even for a beginner. I've been using this bot lately. You can select your language and settings. 60,300 followers Twitter. Good bot usage statistics. Multi-level referral program. On the screen you see the conclusion of this bot. Save the video so as not to lose. You can also save 10% on all commissions if you use my invitation, link in my Telegram. In first place is the Maestro bot. The Maestro bot has 10 different networks. A very powerful bot for more advanced traders. Even more opportunities open up with a premium subscription. This bot has been around for over 3 years and is constantly introducing new features. There is a very large and active community. On the screen you see the output of this bot. I posted all the links to bots, tutorials and a lot of useful information in my Telegram channel.